Hey everybody, so I got a new pocket knife from CJRB. This one was sent over to me from Artisan Cutlery. Now I have used a couple different knives of theirs in the past, and I do have one in my pocket that's been my everyday carry for about a year and a half now. And it does come with a nice case that you can store it in, and it also zips up. Alright, so here is the knife. Now this one does come in multiple colors. I've seen it with the black on black, red on black, beige on black, and a couple others. With it fully open, it's pretty close to 8 inches. The blade itself is 3.41 inches. The thickness of the blade is 0.11 inches. It does have a belt clip on here. And to open and close, you have an easy button. Now this knife does open up pretty easily with one hand. Now this is the one I've had in my pocket for over a year now, and I really like it. It's a really nice knife. Alright, so as for the sharp test, these knives do come very, very sharp, and they are very easy to maintain that sharp edge. I did one more sharpening test. We got a stick. As you can see though, it is pretty darn sharp. That's going to be my quick review of the CJRB knife. Now I really do like these knives. They got a lot of different styles, a lot of different colors. I have 4 knives total from this company that I've collected over the last couple of years. So with them reaching out, pretty cool. Thank you. And I would say that this is a really good pocket knife.